So, you received your first GoPro for the holiday season, and now you're wondering, what accessories can I get for it? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to tell you about the top 10 GoPro Hero 11 accessories that you'll need for 2023. And without further ado, let's get straight into the list. Number 1, the GoPro VOLTA. This is without doubt the best accessory for the GoPro Hero 11. And let me tell you why. So while the new battery life in the new GoPro Enduro is very, very good, to have 4-hour non-stop recording is absolutely fantastic. I recently used the VOLTA in both Morocco, Vietnam, and also in Portugal, and I never once ran out of battery. So what is the VOLTA? The VOLTA is a premium battery grip and a whole lot more. In combination with both the standard GoPro battery, it delivers 4 hours of 5.3K recording. That's a total of over 3 times the normal run rate. The GoPro VOLTA is the #1 accessory that I have in my bag 100% of the time. Now stick around at the end, folks, because what I've also got is I've got some bonuses at the very end, a few little add-ons that will come in very, very handy. So make sure you stick around that at the very end. So I'm going to put a little link in the description below for you to get any of these products. Check out the description below and a link for each one of them will be down there. Number 2, the Media Mod. The Media Mod is a fantastic addition, offering 2 cold shoe mounts that will attach your favorite lights, mics, or LCD screens. Also on the back here you have a 3.5mm mic port that lets you add external microphones for enhanced audio. It also does have its very own microphone built in here at the top, but unfortunately I'm not a big fan of that. I don't think that the sound from this microphone is actually very good. You're much better off using the 3.5mm mic adapter at the back for an external microphone or for an external wireless microphone. It's also got a HDMI output port on the back for monitoring and also for playing back your footage. It's got a great unique wraparound design and adds portability, expandability, and also ensures that your mounting remains easy to use. Number 3, ND filters. So why would you want to use ND filters on your GoPro? Well, the main reason is for a more cinematic look to your videos, and more cinematic means motion blur. Motion blur can give you the look to what the human eye sees in life every day. The 180-degree shutter rule is a standard in the film industry, and it explains the relationship between shutter speed and frame rate when recording motion in video. To mimic the motion the same way that the human eye experiences it in real life, the 180-degree shutter rule states that the shutter speed should be double your frame rate. The ND filters that I use are from a company called Polar Pro, and very, very high quality and very easy to attach to your existing lens. So what you do is you pull it out, that one off, and basically attach your ND filter, and goes right on the front like that. Polar Pro, definitely the best ones to buy. And at number 4, we have a portable light. The light that I use is the Ulanzi VL49. So basically what this is, it's got a built-in lithium battery. The built-in large capacity lithium battery charging time is about 2 hours, and at a maximum brightness it's going to give you up to 120 minutes with maximum brightness. The minimum brightness output can be up to 300 minutes. So it's got, specifically for the Ulanzi one, I think it's got like 4 or 5 different outputs. So this is the minimum, then next one, next brightness, and then you have the maximum brightness, which is this. And that will keep you running for about 120 minutes. Great battery life in it, perfect for hard to light areas, so for indoors and also for at night when you're out and about. So because the GoPro is actually an action camera, it does need a lot of light. It works fantastic during the day, but in low light conditions, you're going to need something to give it that extra little boost. And this light is perfect for it. So that's the Ulanzi one. GoPro also do one themselves, but I find that this Ulanzi is a much better option. The 5500K color temperature shows the beauty of natural light, and it's definitely ideal for photography and also for video shooting. Number 5, the chest mount. So as you can see here, the chest mount, this is a padded flexible chest mount that makes it easier to capture hands-free shots from your chest. so it's perfect for POV. It's made from breathable lightweight materials and it can easily be adjusted to comfort fit any body types really. It goes on here like this and that's perfect. So when you're on a bike, so it's perfect for biking, hiking, skiing and any other adventures. So as it sits here, it allows your hands to be free and you get that perfect POV look. Perfect, as I say, for biking, hiking or any other adventures where you would want amazing POV footage. So folks, before I go any further, don't forget to take a quick second to hit that subscribe button. It's going to help me out an awful lot with the algorithm. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and make sure for all the fantastic videos I've got coming up this year, make sure you also hit that notification bell and you get notified when all my new videos come out. Next up at number 6, we have a wind slayer. While the microphones in the GoPro are absolutely fantastic, one of the problems you can have when you're out and about, if you've got a lot of wind, is some of the wind problems. And the GoPro is good at taking care of some of that, but what you really want is to get yourself a wind slayer, which will stop some of that wind action that's going on. The wind slayer that I actually use here is by a company called HSU, and I think for about 10 euros you can actually get a 2-pack, which is really great value. So the wind muff is especially designed for GoPros 9, 10 and 11. As you can see, it just slots in nice and easy in and around the camera like that. Gives it full protection for drops and also against the wind. Next up, what you want to get yourself is some extra batteries and a battery charger. This one is an Enduro battery and this one is the old blue battery. So basically get yourself a charger as well, and that'll allow you to pop 2 or 3 of these in at the same time so that you can go ahead, charge them all at the same time and you're never going to be without batteries. Nice 100% batteries. The new Enduro batteries have extended record times on the Hero Black up to about 38-40% in moderate temperatures. Previous GoPro batteries, which were the top blue ones, didn't last as long, and these new Enduro ones are better in colder temperatures and last a little bit longer. At number 8, a wireless microphone. The wireless microphone that I use is called the T-Bone. I got this basically from a local company called Thomann. They do musical equipment and stuff like that. So what I use is just here, I've got my little lapel microphone that actually goes down to the wireless system that is here. So this is the wireless system that just clips onto my side, and the other one is on the opposite side of this camera at the moment. So what I can do when you actually have the GoPro Media mount is attach the one side to the top of the media mount, that's the receiver, and then put the one for the microphone on myself here. And I think it's a fantastic option. Even though the microphones in the GoPro themselves are very good, then I think these wireless setups are much better. You got much better quality, you got it closer to your source, and definitely well worth getting one of these. Rode also do one of these, but this is the equivalent. Like I said, there's other options that are out there. Rode is considered the best one that's on the market, but take a look at some other options as well. Number 9 is an SD card. And get yourself, don't scrimp and scrape on this, get yourself the best SD card that you can possible. The one that I use is called the SanDisk Extreme. So either a 128 gig or a 256 gig micro SD card, definitely that's what you want. Best quality, get yourself one of these. At number 10, a magnetic mount. I recently did a video on one of these and I'll put a link up here for you to go take a look at that. This one is by a company called HSU, so this is the HSU magnetic camera mount. It's a very strong camera and magnetic base that's actually on it. You'll never worry about it basically falling off once you attach this. It's really strong. The good thing about it is I've used it on my car. I can attach it like this, and then when you loosen it up, you can put it basically at any different angle that you want. Very strong. You're never going to have a problem with it. The whole the stand itself is actually wrapped in a really good silicone, so it's not going to scratch up your car, and even if it's a little bit wet or damp, it's not going to move very easily either. So the whole stand is wrapped in high-grade silicone, which will also prevent the surface from being scratched due to the strong magnetic force that's on this. It's really going to stick and it's not going to move. I guarantee you, these are solid out. So that is magnetic mount. Okay, and these are some bonus tips, some other what you would call, I suppose, honorable mentions. One of the things that I like to take with me when I'm going out is this, I guess it's called, an over the shoulder, they call it the shoulder blade. So it's a bit like a bum bag or something like that. So I can put all my accessories into this and then basically carry it over my shoulder. I can put the GoPro in and it's very, very easily accessible, and for the sake of about 10 to 15 euros, definitely one to take with you. Now something else that's very, very popular, you'll see these selfie sticks that are here. This again by is the company called HSU, and it's got a good length on it. So just attach your GoPro here to the top. It allows you to angle it towards yourself, and completely telescopic, folds down nice and small. That'll also go in the bag, perfect for those very high or long POV shots. And last but not least is what I like to do is I've got a lot of my little bits and pieces that I have basically for my GoPro, sticky pads, stuff like that. This is by the company HSU, and it's more of a solid case. And what I do is I keep everything inside in this. So I put all my little mounts that's in here, bicycle mount, so anything that I need, floaties, all these clips, and I've got these little sticky pads. So anything that I need, I just keep inside in this. I don't carry the GoPro in it itself, but it's very handy for all these small little accessories to take around. Stick it in the back of the car, perfect for that.